computer. And I think it's just incredible because we keep thinking that today we think that the answer to everything is a computer, but there is no better computer than our own minds and brains. We have to remember that, which is why I think she was very inspiring. And besides this, she was not just a mathematical genius. She wrote lots of books, and what you must know is that she's, as a child, never went to school. Her family could not afford it. She didn't go to school, but that did not stop her from becoming the human computer, the mathematical genius she was, to the extent that her name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. So she has really inspired me through the course of this film, and I hope all of you all watch it and also take inspiration.
Amazing. So बच्चों, so बिना स्कूल गए she achieved what she achieved, right? So आप सब लोगों के पास तो amazing facilities है, आप सबके पास live पढ़ने की भी facilities है अभी, right? So I'm sure that you will take inspiration and do great in life, right? So on that note, could you take us through the journey of this character Shakuntala Devi? We know that you are such a versatile actor. आपने amazing roles, आपने amazing किरदार निभाए हैं. So would love to understand, this journey of this character Shakuntala Devi in your own words.
Like I said, she was an incredible girl who grew up to be an incredible woman. She wanted to touch the stars, and she managed that in her life. Despite the fact that she had no formal education, she came from a small village in Mysore, and nothing stopped her. She did not even speak English, but at one point in her life, she was doing match shows all over the world. She used to really pay attention when people were speaking, which is why she even picked up Spanish without formally learning it. Wow. I think these things really blow your mind.
You can understand, no?
Because, like I said, again, we keep thinking that, we need, of course, everyone needs the correct guidance. They need the talent, and everyone has different talents. ऐसा नहीं है कि सबको, no one is born a genius, or rather, everyone is not born a genius. कुछ लोगों में एक special talent होता है, but even if there is no special talent, you can become a genius. You can become a genius with hard work, with passion, and with the right guidance. जैसे आप लोग कहते हैं ना, जब समझोगे तभी मजा आएगा.
तो मजा आएगा, और जब मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा. Yes.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. I think, and Pulkit, what I learned during the course of this film is Shakuntala Devi used to enjoy her numbers. Everyone does not enjoy maths, right? I've heard a lot of people say maths से बहुत डर लगता है, maths बहुत dry है, maths बहुत boring है. But what Shakuntala Devi did was made people see how maths is in everything in life. Maths is in music. Rhythm is what? It's maths. Correct? Maths is in nature. Maths is in cooking. एक प्याज, दो टमाटर, what is all that? It's maths, right? Maths is in poetry, maths is in photography, maths is in everything. And we only get scared of things that we cannot see. But maths, if maths is all around us, we just need to open our eyes and see how maths is such an important part of our lives, and we won't be scared of maths. So I think this has been the biggest lesson for me doing this film.
That's amazing. तो मैं भी बच्चों को हमेशा बोलता हूँ that बच्चों नंबर हर तरफ है, अपने पूरी दुनिया में नंबर्स हर तरफ है. इनफैक्ट the way to look at the world in a quantifiable way is numbers. बट आप लोग कई बार एक ही नंबर को देखते हो, आपके एग्जाम्स में आने वाले नंबर. तो बस उस नंबर से डरो मत, अपने आसपास के नंबर्स को देखो and start enjoying. When you enjoy learning, as Vidya told us, that you can learn anything, and it doesn't require a genius. If you are open to learning, आपका दिमाग हर चीज को सीख सकता है. हाँ, हो सकता है टाइम ज्यादा लगे कम लगे, but we all will be able to learn a lot of amazing things. On that note, आपसे एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन पूछना है मुझे. Shakuntala Devi, this character is all about mathematical genius. So how tough was it to prepare mathematics for this role for you?
Can I tell you honestly, I didn't have to prepare really for the maths part of it, because she was, of course, she gave answers in a few seconds. Like the problem that she solved in 28 seconds, a problem that got her a mention in the Guinness Book of World Records, was where she had to multiply a 13-digit number by another 13-digit number. Now, I'm not Shakuntala Devi, so I would have taken 13 days to calculate it. At least 13 minutes. Okay, jokes apart. So I had all the answers ready, but I have to say, even in school, I used to enjoy maths. I used to get very good marks in maths, except for some stupid mistakes sometimes. You know, you're writing fast and then 7 की जगह आपने 1 और 7 ठीक से नहीं लिखा, वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आता 1 है कि 7 है. ऐसी चीजें होती थी जिसकी वजह से मैथ्स नंबर्स कभी कम आ जाते थे. But I used to enjoy maths and I love numbers. So remembering numbers has always been easy for me, whether it's birth dates, phone numbers, flat numbers, car numbers. So because of which the maths part of it was not difficult. But like I said, I learned a very important lesson about maths on this film, and that is that maths isn't everything. Like even Pulkit sir said now, everything is about numbers and numbers don't lie.
Amazing. So बच्चों, मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ, तब तक चैट में बताओ, how many of you actually fear mathematics? कितने बच्चों को डर लगता है मैथ से? Say yes if you fear mathematics, and yo if you don't fear maths. Awesome, awesome. तो डर तो लगता है कुछ लोगों को, है ना? ठीक है, मत डरो यार. I am there. We are there to help you with that. Don't worry at all. So, अच्छा बच्चों, do you know the numbers which Shakuntala Devi multiplied? Let me just spell out those numbers for you. It was 768639677487 into 2465099 745779. इसको multiply किया था. So, would you like to take a shot at it?
No.
I'm giving the answer?
Yeah. तो बच्चों, देखना कैसे किया था ये.
Would they be writing it down?
Yeah, why not?
Should we repeat it?
आप बोलते जाइए, बच्चे चैट में लिखते जाएंगे.
तो मैं बोलूं numbers?
Yes.
7686396
नोट भी नोट कर लीजिए.
774870 into 2465099 745779.
बाप रे, मुझे तो नंबर्स समझ ही नहीं आए. Shakuntala Devi answered that in 28 seconds. You know that the computer takes a lot of processing to get it done, you know. So बच्चों, do you want to take a shot at it? जब तक अपने को आंसर पता चलेगा, would you like to take a shot at it? Can you write down the answer in the chats? आप बताइए, what is the answer?
18947 668 177 995
आप सुन सकते हैं.
426 462 773 730. देखिए, मुझे लगा कि आप ये सवाल मुझसे करेंगे. वेदांतु है, तो luckily I wrote this down on a sheet of paper just 5 minutes before we started this chat. So thank God. नहीं तो नाक कटवा देती शकुंतला देवी की.
Now we know you prepare a lot for your roles. That मानना पड़ेगा, आप तो genius है. So how did you do this role? Would love to, you know, we all would love to know more about that.
You know, बाकी सब तो ठीक था, because you know, as an actor you play with your emotions, you depend on the script to prepare for the role. But for the maths shows part of it, because after this I hope you'll go and watch some of Shakuntala Devi's videos on YouTube. They're very inspiring. And you know, when I was preparing for the film, I saw these videos and I saw that she used to have fun with numbers. Firstly, I don't know how she calculated so fast. It was almost like they were magic shows. वो abracadabra कहा नहीं और answer सामने आ गया. So it was that part I still don't understand, that how can a brain compute numbers so fast. But I loved her style, I loved her swag, I loved the fact that she used humor. She, like I said, she gave examples examples, real life examples, so people would understand, how to solve the problems easily. And I met many people, Pulkit, who told me that Shakuntala Devi had visited their school, in when they were children. They're all grown-up people now, and they said that, after watching her on stage, a lot of them started liking maths. They let go of their fear of maths. कि फिर उनको लगा कि शायद maths से सचमुच दोस्ती possible है. That was because she made maths so much fun. So I had to focus a lot on making the maths shows fun. It was not just the maths. It was the way she did the maths for people, which is why I was saying, you have to have fun. Any subject you're studying, if you don't understand it, get help, understand the concepts in whatever way. If you like cricket, ask someone to explain it to you using the example of cricket. If you like music, you ask someone to explain to you using the example of music. And this is not just about maths. It can be any subject, because if you don't understand it, you're not going to have fun.
Yes.
And that again brings me to जब समझोगे,
जब समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, और जब मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा.
Exactly. That is, which is why I think Shakuntala Devi and Vedantu have a perfect fit, because she also made people understand कि, of course, लोगों को लगता था कि अरे इन्होंने ऐसे कैसे कर दिया. वो समझ में किसी के नहीं आया कि इतना फास्ट वो कैलकुलेट कैसे करती. But she would make her maths shows fun for people. She would make it simple for people to understand when she would explain to people. I think that is something I focused on during the preparation with my director Anu Menon. And I hope you all watch the film just to see. And also, like I said, please watch her YouTube videos. And remember that you don't have to be born a genius. There's a lifetime to be a genius. You have to just have faith in yourselves and work hard at what you want to get better at.
Exactly. In fact, एक बहुत important चीज बोली आपने, जो मैंने YouTube पे उनके videos देख के भी समझा, that she was so fast in her calculations and she couldn't herself tell how she was doing it. And that brings me to this, कि बच्चों, जब हम साइकिल चलाते हैं, जब हम कार चलाते हैं, जब हम स्विमिंग करते हैं, तो हम सोचते नहीं है, right? We just do it. So when you go deep into something and when you practice something a lot, it becomes like a second skin. आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती और वो आपके अंदर से निकलता है. So an important